Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. In our last class, we have completed the user registration part. Okay, so we have did so far for the storing the things. Okay, when the request is coming in registration, it goes to the admin registration page. So we have fill all the information. We have to save the data. So let's check. Okay, so when the URL is coming, so I'm going to go here, admin, register. Go admin register. So what happened? Let's save all. Okay. So the target controller, admin register controller does not exist. Why whatsoever? Admin registration control. I think the name should be the problem. Admin register controller, or here the admin register controller. Okay, that's the problem. Okay, if you are not mention the name correctly, it won't work. You have to mention the name correctly. So the view the layouts tab app folders not found mean this one. Okay, this is our project. This project. So here, what I'm going to do is like registration form. Okay, when you're moving to the registration form, what happen is here you can see here we have to when the link is go with if it is open up this one. So here what the URL mention it here it's create page. Register page. Okay, register page create action method. Okay, so here what I did here is we have to do do the if you go to the user registration date you can notice the apps.app. So here we have to create a layouts. So views, new folder, layouts, layouts. Here we have to write it app dot blade dot page app dot blade dot page. For this page, what I'm going to do it, we have to include this all. So just copy it and paste it over here. So here we have a HTML file and the navigation. So we have a authentication as the user authentication as a username and user. Okay, so we have a this one should be the navbar section. So what's where you can find the navbar? You can go to the Google and type navbar. You will be able to find it here. This one. You can find the navbar. You can see over here. It's a navbar. You will be able to find the navbar section like this. Okay, it's a navbar. There's a navbar. I'm going to implement it in my project so that I have put it here, this one here. Okay, this project you can use it for features like this one. Okay, so if it is a username, if the username, if the check the username is there, it is the uh, system user. If that the username is not there, it's a guest role. Okay, so the guest role it will mention as a guest role. This is very must. You have to put it to the security as well. Okay, you have to implement the securities. Okay, so security of the project. You have to implement the security of the project. Okay, so now let's save all. Okay, now let's save all. Now let's bring back to the application and check it. What happened? Now let's this one I'm going to comment it. Now let's check it. Still not working. What happened? Now you can check that if you type URL register, you will be able to get this form, sign up form. You will be able to register over here. Okay. So after register, you can click register button. It has been registered successfully. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Now let's see. You can see. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Name, email, and password. Click register button. Nothing. Okay. Thank you for registration. Okay, it's working successfully. Now you can see the registration has been successfully working. Okay, so here you will be able to see the data. So what's the data? You can go here. What's the database name? Hotel management. So let's check it whether it's working fine or not. Now you can see the user. This is users. Now it's added successfully. Okay, it's added the user successfully. Okay, so here I have a little bit problem. Having a little bit problem. So we have to create the role as well. So only the password there. Therefore, we have a role. So we have to specify the role because whether the user is admin user or ordinary user, we have to specify the role. That's a very must. Okay, the user we have a must. We have to specify the role. The role is a very must. So what I'm going to do is I want to add the additional column for that. So I have to get the additional column. So type PHP Laravel add additional column. Table. So you run the command which is this one. We have to add the additional column. You have to add this one. We have to modify for our purpose. Migration add use add so right here this one add role to user type this one. So try just copy this. Copy this. Table use. Okay. Page one make migration add role to user table table users. Okay. So you have to do the things. So you have to do the things. Okay. Now the migration has been completed successfully at the additional role. Now you have to specify now here over here we have to put it this one. Record it here over here. Okay. Now here we have to call it this one only. We have to call it over here. Okay, role. So it may be the admin or user role. Okay, so it may be the admin or user role. Okay, so you have to specify the user. The default one is a user. Default role is your role will be the user. So now we have to do the thing is a this. So after that, after done this, we have to do the migration part. Here type PHP artisan migration. So what's the problem? So sorry, migrate. It's migrated down. So okay, now okay, you can see over here when you go to register the page, the okay, see if you are not putting this role, it is getting as a normal user. If the role is we have to specify as admin, it is a admin user. Okay, if it is not specified the role, it is default user will be user. Okay, if you have specified the role as admin, it is a admin user. Now let's check it. uh, Kurupi dot gmail.com. Password, I'm going to specify the password. Okay, now let's moving to my database. Where's my database? Management hotel users. Okay, the problem is here. Why it's not adding? The problem, we haven't specified the role over here. The role, the user model. Where's the user model? The user model also we have specified the role. We have specified successfully. Why it's not working? Mm, John James gmail.com. Password. It's adding, but it's not working. Why? It's a problem. The role is not working. Why? What's the problem? The role. Okay, now what you are going to do is I'm going to do the thing is I'm going to just little bit to I think the problem is this. The column is not migrated successfully. Just cut this. Again I'm going to migrate it. Add migration. I think this is a problem. I think the add migration, add role migration users table. Right, it's migrated. Now it's working. Now let's here we have to specify the role user. Now let's save all. Now again what I'm going to say, I'm going to remove these all things. All things. Now let's type migrate. It's migrated. Now let's check it. Let's check it. Oh, yes, all is there. Now here this one should be our registration part. So the role we have to go to here. Where the role with the admin or user, you have the role. You have to go to the model. Someone here to specify the role over here. It's the role. Okay. Now let's save all. I'm going to edit abb at gmail.com. Password 123. Click register. Register successfully. Now let's back to the application and check it. Now the ABVP will be see the here admin has been added. Okay, so the thing is working successfully. Okay, don't worry, this is all the source code I provide you. Thank you for watching.